Hi kids, I'm Zookeeper Zipp, and this is our awesome dinosaur show. As always, I have my best friend Bruno with me. Say hi, Bruno. Hi, Bruno. Today's dinosaur is super cool. It starts with a P and has wings. Brock, a parrot. Very funny, Bruno, but you're not a dinosaur. The answer is pterodactyl. Can you say pterodactyl? Brock, terrible tractor. So close, Bruno. Like this. Pterodactyl. Pterodactyl. Brock, pterodactyl. Great job, Bruno. That's a tough one. Let's use the time simulator and see how cool they look. Brock, he's got wings. He does, Bruno. Just like you. The pterodactyl wasn't actually a dinosaur. It was a pterosaur, or winged lizard. The pterodactyl was a quadruped. Brock, 4 feet. That's right, Bruno. They walked on 4 feet, like bats do. Pterodactyl means winged finger. They lived in the late Triassic period to the end of the Cretaceous period. Fossils were found in Africa and Europe. Pterodactyls were about 4 feet, or over a meter long. Their wingspan was about 2.5 feet, or almost 1 meter. They glided through the air at around 60 miles per hour, or 96 kilometers per hour. They weighed about 10 pounds. The pterodactyls were carnivorous. Brock eats meat. That's right, Bruno, but they probably ate some fruits as well. They had many razor-sharp teeth to eat fish with. Pterodactyls have an extended beak for T-Rex Zipp. He found us. Uh-oh. Let's get out of here, Bruno. Wow, Bruno. He was so close. Brock, scary. Okay, kids, that ends today's show. But we'll be back next week with more dinosaurs and more learning fun. Say bye, Bruno. Brock, bye, Bruno.
Zippy pie.